so obviously it makes it fun to watch.
Research has demonstrated now that the most important single factor that contributes to student learning is the quality of teaching they encounter every day. We have to define good teaching in a way that makes sense to people.
There was a time when teachers would receive supervisors visiting their classrooms, and the perception was they're looking at anything or everything.
I've always have a fear when somebody walks in my room. You want everything to go smoothly, you want everything to go well.
The value of the framework-based observations is that we have a very clear standard.
The framework does alleviate some of those fears because you know exactly what they're looking for.
It is grounded in a view of teaching that we should recognize and call out. And it's this: we've always known that teaching is very demanding physical work. Teaching is very complex. Teaching is very intertwined and tangled. If teaching and the different skills of teaching are so interrelated, then why do we describe them all separately? Now, if you think of a theater in the round, you have a play, right? It's in the middle. Think of the play like the lesson. Now, this is a theater in the round, so the audience is sitting all around. Because the audience is sitting all around, the lights have to come from all directions. I think of the components of the framework like the lights. Here we have the lesson, and it's one thing. But let's just focus on the interactions. Let's just focus on the questioning skills, on the engagement, right? And therefore, the framework for teaching, if you think of it that way, becomes an analytic tool. And in a sense, that's all it is. It's an analytic tool to understand teaching.
Because of that common language and that common understanding of what good teaching and effective, I should say, teaching practice looks like, it's ultimately going to bring teams of teachers together and build on our understanding of practice and only strengthen the work that we're doing as a school.
As a teacher, I think I can grow from the value of the framework. I think if I'm given a suggestion on an observation, I can grow with that. I can learn from it.
It gives a common language and a shared understanding about practice, and it promotes really important and deep professional conversations about teaching. And that's the vehicle, the mechanism through which it improves.